How we doing, guys? Today I'm going to be breaking down the Crossfoot for you. It's a really awesome trick for free skates. It opens up so many different windows for new tricks and different combos you can do. So let's get started. So the secret to being able to Crossfoot successfully is pointing your toes inward. It's all about the foot placement when you're beginning because it gets you more comfortable in a stance with your feet cross-footed, knees straight. Now, if I were to go into it with a stance as I would typically ride, I will find my toes pointed together and my heels out. This really buckles your knees and is very limiting. So when learning, regular foot placement for your front foot, back foot would typically be like this. However, I am going to point it the opposite direction. So both toes are together. When you're comfortable with that, bring this back foot forward and back, and you'll be comfortably in Crossfoot. So for me, learning to tilt both feet was a total game changer. I had been working on Crossfoot tricks for a long time, but I had really struggled. I could stand Crossfoot, but it was very uncomfortable, and this pointer really helped me out a lot, so I'd like to give it back to you guys. Once you get the idea of being cross-footed, it's best to slowly work your way back into a regular stance until you're comfortable with your feet pointed outward rather than both inward. A lot of people have been asking for a list of tricks based on difficulty. I think that that's really limiting, and it may narrow some people's vision on how they should learn tricks and what tricks are best for them. So I would consider this trick on the easier side, the more beginner side. You definitely want to be comfortable on the skates, but the trick itself does not carry over much experience from other tricks. Now, if you've been riding for a long time, I'm sure it'll come easier than if you were a beginner. However, there's so many tricks that can come out of this. I think that any rider, any skill level, should definitely try their best to learn this. I really hope this video helps a lot of you out. I know a lot of you asking for trick tutorials are in the beginner intermediate stages, and most of the tricks that are being asked for come with time and a lot of practice, and there aren't too many pointers to be given regarding the tricks, so I'm going to do my best to cover them. They may not be tutorials, they may turn into trick tips rather, but keep hitting me up with all these tricks and I'll do the best I can to cover them. Thank you guys, this has been an awesome Not So Trick Tip Tuesday. Take it easy.